AGFA Avantra 25 or OLP. A machine completely tested, checked and refurbished. A system in absolutely great shape. What do we do when we start with work in the morning? The very first thing that we do is to start the processor. The processor usually is heating up. To save time and money, the processor is started before and has now the right temperature of 35 degrees. Now we are ready for the next step to start the Avantra. But remember, in the morning, please wait until we have 35 degrees. Avantra, here we go. During the boot process, the Avantra is checking all the parts. The software, the motors, the sensors, the spinner, you hear it now starting, the laser and all the other parts. As soon as it will be ready, we can continue with the next step, the rip. But let us wait for a moment until we see the Avantra to be complete ready. Here we are. As you can see, film is from cassette A loaded into the machine and the Avantra is online. Okay, let's go to the rip. Here we are. Now we start the wiper software with a double click. Wiper now is booting, checking the parameters, checking all the settings, and please remember the Avantra must be online for a proper start of our wiper rip. With the connection to the device, wiper is reading from Avantra all the settings, the parameters, the cassettes and so on. See the green button on the left window, see the green button on the right window and the symbol of the Avantra. Okay, time to start with our job. Here's our job. Very nice 4-color job. We go for printing. Select the page and say print. Push. The job is running to the wiper rip. Let's have a look at wiper. The complete job is already within wiper and the Avantra is preparing its work. On the right window you see exactly what is going on with the Avantra. Let's check it. Avantra, where you are? Here our Avantra. The Avantra is telling us the name of the job coming in and the Avantra is imaging. On the bar you can see how the stuff is going on. If the Avantra is a few meters away from the rib and you're working beside the rib, then you see in the window of the rib the advancement. Now already the first page is finished. Did you hear the beep? This is telling us page number 1 is ready. When we have a closer look at the panel, here also we see the 1 for page number 1 being ready. Now the carriage is positioning himself again and start to image with page number 2. We have a quick look at the rib again. Here you can see the magenta color. This means now magenta is imaging. With the next page will come the next color, and from the bar we will see more about it. Oh, Avantra is ready with the second page. Let's go back to Avantra. Now, enough film material is within the drum, and it's time now to feed and to cut. The film now is going from the Avantra to the processor. We will check. Oh, see, on the left and on the right the symbol for film coming in, and the OLP is telling us a job is in the process. In the meantime, while the developer is working, the next job will be imaged. Oh yeah, here we are. It's now our page number 3. We check again at the rib. Ah, it's yellow now coming. As you see, the system is working very fast. And already the yellow page will soon be ready, and after yellow will come the last page with black. Another look at the Avantra. Ah, now time to advance and cut. Here we are with the cut. And the next film goes to the developer. Another job in process. Let's look for our final page. As you can see, black is coming. Pretty soon we expect the first films dropping out of the developer. Let's have a look. So here we are at the end of the developer, where in the final part the heater is drying the films. And as you can see, it is coming out. here is our page coming out. Do you remember the motif on our PC? Here it is. Yo. And as you see, here is an Avantra in a superb shape, very well maintained, completely checked and tested with many pages to be sure that everything will work fine. That's it.